everyone, I hope you are sound and safe at your places. In this video, we are going to learn about concepts of chapter 5, understanding elementary shapes. So our first concept is perpendicular lines. Now, what do we mean by perpendicular lines? Perpendicular lines means when two lines intersect each other and form an angle of 90 degree. Then these lines are called perpendicular lines. Let's say AB, CD. Now, CD is framing the angle of 90 degree on AB. So we will say that CD is perpendicular. This is the symbol of perpendicular. This is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. So from there we have derived this symbol. So CD is perpendicular on AB. So these are our perpendicular lines. Now second thing is perpendicular bisector. So perpendicular, two lines crossing each other, intersecting each other at point and framing an angle of 90 degree. So that is perpendicular. Now what do we mean by bisector? Bisector means when it divides into two equal parts. Let's take an example. If we have a line segment AB and we have its point M on it, M is the midpoint, and we draw a perpendicular from passing from M. Let's say it's L line. Then here L is perpendicular on AB line segment, and as it is passing through the midpoint, so AM is equals to MB. So then it will be termed as perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular means it is of 90 degree. Bisector means two equal parts. So this is our perpendicular lines and perpendicular bisector. Now let's move to the next topic. Now our next topic is triangle. Now what do we mean by triangle? Tri means three. So triangle is a three-sided closed polygon. Now polygon means made up of line segments only. So this is our triangle. These are the 3 points A, B, C, or you can say vertices, and 3 sides. So points are A, B and C. Sides are AB, BC, CD. Now next thing is sum of all the angles. 3 angles we are having. In triangle, sum of all the angles is of 180 degree. So this is the basics of triangle. Now let's learn about classification of triangle, or we can say types of triangles. This is the symbol of triangle. Now first is on the basis of sides. On the basis of sides we have 3. So first is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means means equal. So a triangle in which all the sides are equal. Let's say this is the triangle and all the sides are of 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Then this is our equilateral triangle. Equi means equal. Second one is isosceles triangle. Now what do we mean by isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle means whose two sides are equal. Let's say this one. These are, let's say, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and this is 2 centimeter. Then these two sides are equal, so this is our isosceles triangle. Now third one is scalene triangle. Now what do we mean by scalene triangle? Scalene triangle means whose all sides are different. All have different length, like this. This is 3 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. So this way whose all sides are different. So these are three triangles on the basis of sides. Equilateral, all sides equal. Isosceles, two sides are equal. Scalene, all sides are different. Now let's learn about on the basis of angles. Now on the basis of angles. Again, on the basis of angles, we have three types of triangle. First one is acute angled triangle. What is the acute angle? Acute angle means less than 90 degree. So, in this type of triangle, all the angles are less than 90. So that is our acute angled triangle. Let's take an example. If this angle is of 70 degree, this angle is of 50 degree, this angle is of 60 degree. Now before that you have to check that sum of the angles is 180 or not. So 70 plus 50 plus 60. 7 and 5, 12. 12 and 6, 18. So yes, it is right. This is acute angled triangle. Second one is right angled triangle. So what do we mean by right angle? Right angle means 90 degree. So it is a triangle in which one angle is of 90 degree and other two angles are the sum of 90 degree, because total is 180. So one angle is already 90. So rest of the angles may be of 45 degree or whose sum is 90 degree. That kind of angle we are having. So right angle means one angle is of 90 degree. So this is our right angle triangle. Third one is obtuse angled triangle. Now what do we mean by obtuse angle triangle? Obtuse angle means which is greater than 90. So in this triangle, one angle is greater than 90 degree. So this is our right angle. Means it is more than that. So it may be like this. This kind of triangle. Let's say it is 110 degree and rest of the two angles are the sum of the remaining part, that is 70 degree. So this kind of triangle is obtuse angle triangle. Now that's it for this video. Thank you and have a nice day.